Hi everyone, welcome to Korea Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make Kongnamul Bap, soybean sprout rice with green onion sauce. Simple rice dish with green onion sauce is very tasty. It's quick yet delicious. I hope you like this idea and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. Wash rice if needed. If you're using pre-washed rice, Musenmai, you don't have to wash it. Add water, a bit less than the line indicated in the pot, because water comes out from the bean sprouts. Add salt and mix well. Remove the roots of the bean sprouts if necessary. Place the bean sprouts. Place the pot in the rice cooker. Cover and press the button to cook. Meanwhile, let's make the green onion sauce. Chop green onions and place them in a bowl. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of white sesame seeds. When the rice is cooked, mix well. Serve with green onion sauce. Enjoy! And now it's done. Easy, right? Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
Itadakimasu. なんか学校で一回食べたような気がする。シャキシャキする。全部。昼ご飯に作ると美味しい。
昼ご飯？
朝ごはん。夜ご飯かな？では朝ごはんの方がいいかも。
あ、すごい、全部食べた。早っ。
おかわり。チャンネル登録お願いします。グッドボタンお願いね。お願いします。バイバイ。100万人お願いします。最初はグー。じゃんけんぽい。
またグー出してるよ。この前もグーでした。